Hi. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to import customers from an Excel sheet to QuickBooks using the QODBC driver and Claude Code. Start QuickBooks and log into your QuickBooks company file. This is the Excel sheet that we will be using. We will be using Microsoft Visual Code IDE. Open the folder that contains the Microsoft Excel file that needs to be imported. Navigate to Extension and add the Claude Code extension. After installing Claude, log in to your Claude account. Start a new Claude session. Copy the prompt and paste it into the Claude window. In QuickBooks, navigate to the Customer menu and click Customer Center. This will show you the list of customer records in QuickBooks. There are no customers in my QuickBooks company file. Switch back to Claude Code window to view the progress. Click Allow if it prompts for any permission. Close the Excel file to avoid any permission issues related to reading the file. Switch back to Visual Code. If you see any prompt on the Claude Code session, click Yes, allow for this project. Claude may take some time to generate the import script. When prompted, click Yes, allow all edits this session. If prompted, allow QODBC and Excel to connect to your QuickBooks company file. After authorizing the connection, the Claude Code should be able to connect and insert data from the Excel sheet to QuickBooks. Customers' records will be inserted one by one into QuickBooks. Please wait for the Claude Code to complete the import. I hope this video helps.